of things, but nothing seems to satisfy. Think I lose my mind if I don't find something to pacify. When you help me occupy my brain, oh yeah, I need someone to show me the things in life that I can find. I can see the things that make true happiness. I must be blind. Make a joke and I will sigh, and you will laugh and I will cry. Happiness I cannot feel, and love to me is so unreal. And so as you hear these words telling you now of my state, I tell you to enjoy life. I wish I could, but it's too late. Can you help